Since I hit my goal for the year, I'm looking for quest is for a big fish. I'm gonna try this bomber fat A. I got the Daiwa blazon with my Shimano SLX DC. Caught it or not, but it was a nice one. Quest is on. Oh my god, he got a fuck. Oh, caught one. He's gonna get away. He got away. Caught one. I switched over to this inline spinner because I lost like 3 of them, but I'm thinking this one had a bigger blade. Put a little vibration out there, so I'm using my BFS. I'm using my medium rod, that telescoping rod, number 3 Meps XD3 504. Shimano SLX DC. Still kind of trying to get a feel for this rod. I'm looking for a bigger fish, obviously. This rod, you got to keep an eye on it. It has floating guides, so it's a little different rod. Another one got off. Probably lost like 5. Only landed 1. They're biting now. Oh yeah. Took this one in deep. Man, he actually wired his mouth shut. How did you do that, buddy? He wanted it. He wanted to make sure he didn't miss it. Jeez. This one is pretty bad. Oh, there we go. He actually had his mouth down. 505. Now we're gonna call it a day. Ended at 5:05 for the day. like this. I like the rod. Telescoping power, it's sensitive. It's a keeper. Obviously, won't be able to return it, but I like it. The only thing I can see changing on this setup, the SLX DC reel is impressive. I mean, I like the they call it digital control, I think. I don't know if you can hear it, but the only thing I might do, I got used to having a drag clicker. My other Baron has one, my Zephyr has one, my Dark Wolf. I saw a kit you could buy. I might tackle it myself or have it installed, but it's the only other thing that would make this setup complete, or the reel. I like the way the new braid fishes on it. I like this whole setup. I've had a couple of fish on. You know, they're audible when you hear the clicker. I could feel the weight of the fish on, but the clicker just kind of, you don't hear it because it doesn't have one, obviously. So I found a place up in Wisconsin that it does reel repair. I'm going to give them a call. I can get the part through AliExpress, so other than that, not a bad deal. I'll show you how this collapses down. Top end. So there's two exo guides that are actually here. These are floating guides. These are kind of different. My other ones have them, but this. So there's two of them permanently fixed on there. These floating guides just kind of like, I don't know if you can see that or not. It comes in. Here's the other floating guide. The other one just goes up. 2, 3 floating guides. 4. Let's take a look. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floating guides. 3 fixed. A total of 8 guides. That's how you can get away with. If you can see all the guides right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a bait keeper out here. The case you can actually put in the rubber. Look how small that is. The only thing I wish, like I said, I was telling you, I'm gonna get a drag clicker installed on this. Call it a day.